Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to correctly inflate your tires. But before we do that, I want you to understand something. Tires are the only part of the car that connect with the road to take you to your destination. So if you have bad tires, you get nowhere. If you did not inflate your tires correctly, it might result in uneven tire wear, tire finishing one side. The vehicle might be drinking your petrol or diesel, or the vehicle might have a situation where it's got poor handling, like putting you to the one side, creating like a balancing issue, tracking problem. And we got a lot of people start accusing the car. This car is finishing my diesel, it's finishing my petrol. But have you checked your tires pressure properly? This is the main problem, right? So we got situation where people got one side of the tire is got 45 psi, and on the other side it's got 20 psi. You can't drive like that. It's not gonna work, right? So checking your tire regularly every month or every 2 months, it will save you and it will put your vehicle in very good safety, right? Your safety is not gonna be at risk as long as you're checking your tires correctly. So we have 3 places to check information for your tires. The first place to find the information for your tires is in your side door, right? Driver side door. The second place will be in your glove box, glove compartment. Sometimes that's where we normally keep the manual, the little booklet, user's manual. If you can't find the information from there, the third place will be where you fill your petrol, right? That little cover, have a look, there should be a sticker to find the information. So let's see now. Open your driver's side door, and just on the driver's side door, there should be a sticker. Have a look at this sticker here, something like this. You will see something, tire pressure information should be something with kPa or PSI. So as long as we look here, it does not look like something tire pressure information there. So we need to go and find from the second place. So the second place should be glove box. Well, probably that's where we can find the tire pressure information. So have a look. Here we got the booklet, right? User's manual. This is exactly where we can find the tire pressure information. Just have a look inside, right? There should be a place where you see tire pressure. So this is the second place to look for your tire pressure information. From this place, if you can't find your booklet, because a lot of people lost the booklet, right? The user's manual. So if you can't find the tire pressure information from here, you need to go to a third place. So the third place now we're gonna go, and I'll show you where to find your tire pressure information. Is where you fill up your petrol or diesel, which is here, right? This is mine, exactly here. So in front is showing, if I've got 3 people in the car, it should be 220 kPa. At the back, the same, 320 kPa, which is about 31.9 psi. Here we go at the back. Well, if I've got 5 people in the car, the front should be 240 kPa, and the back should be 290 kPa. The 240 kPa, which is about 34 psi, and the 290 at the back should be about 42 psi. So once you know this tire pressure information, the next step will be to go to your wheel and start popping out your tires. Right now, you need to open the valve cap, right? Take the valve cap and keep it here, right? Inside, we got a little valve pin, right? This is TPMS sensor, so which is stand for tire pressure monitoring system. So what you do, take this pressure gauge header and connect it, right? And on the other hand, what you need to do is start pumping up. Remember, the back wheel, the rear wheel was showing we need to have 42 psi. So let's go. Right? Here, this pressure gauge is in the bars and the PSI. As you can see, 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bars. So the PSI is 10, 20, 30, and 40. So we need to reach up to 42 PSI. All right? So once we connect here, press, like I said, hold this and press it and push it and hold it there. Because if you leave it, as long as you press here, look, the air is pissing off, right? So always hold it, connect it properly, and the other hand, press it up to 42. That's exactly just below 3 bars. That's where you need to pump it up to, right? So once you finish, make sure you take the little valve cover it, because if you leave it, we had a situation where kids are playing outside or anyone can just press this little valve pin. As long as you press it, the air will start pissing out, right? Then you find your wheel is flat. So always make sure you cover. So once you know that, the next will be to go to your dashboard and reset the tire pressure light, right? The next video, this video up here, is covering how to reset the tire pressure light in most of vehicles. So if you like this video, please give us a like and make a little comment. Many thanks for watching.